TxStampin Sharon. I am bringing you a quick video showing you my 2 online card classes for January 2019. One of them is coming from the new Occasions catalog, while the other one is from the annual catalog that I missed that stamp set somehow. So let me just show you the cards and talk to you more about these classes. Here is my first class, and I loved these cards. I will tell you that these are like paper pieced in, and I did find it very helpful to use the Stampin' Up! Tool picker upper thing. There's a little sticky piece down here, a little putty, and that helped me pick up the pieces and put them in. I did not list this as an item that you would need, but it is very helpful to have one of these. So that's the first card. Here's the second card. I will have all of the items listed below that you will need to have on hand if you don't already own them. I know you won't own the stamp set because it's new in the Occasions that starts today. And this is a Valentine card. Who knew? Super cute, super easy. Here's the stamp set and framelits. While I tried to use most of the framelits in here, it was very hard to use them all for my card designs. This one is, let me show you that, super cool because it actually cut out the outline, and then I used a trimmer to trim off the rest, but that's how I got this little piece up here. Super fun. Now, the Occasions catalog starts today, so I can show you inside. Here is the stamp set that I used, and the paper that's on here has a lot of hearts, like for Valentine's Day. I loved this stamp set and the bundle, the framelits, because it actually went with this as well. You could use this stamp set called Meant to Be with this one to use up some of these papers and everything. So super fun. For more Valentine fun, you might want to get this. Okay, I'm not gonna go page by page because this is not a reveal. This catalog starts today, and it has all kinds of stamps and goodies for all of the upcoming occasions, such as Valentine's, Mother's Day, Father's Day, all those birthdays that you might have on your calendar, and of course Easter, so super fun. You can get the supplies to make 2 sets of all of these cards when you place a $40 order on my website. However, Celebration starts today as well, and if you purchase anything for $50, you get to choose 1 item out of here for free. Free card kit, free item. Let's look at some of the items. Oh, this is not an item to pick when you shop for $50. This is an item that you can get for free if you join during Celebration. So January 3rd through March 31st, you could choose option 1, which is $99 for the starter kit. You don't get the tote with option 1. You can shop for up to $125 in free merchandise. If you want the tote, it is $129. You still get to shop for up to $125. You get $175 worth of supplies. So plus you get that cool tote. It is so fun. I did a video on that tote a couple weeks ago. If you missed it, I will try to put the link in there so you can see it. There's some ribbon, cute stamp set. You could pick any of these for $50. This designer series paper goes beautifully with a butterfly set that is in the Occasions catalog. And then there's some little wood butterflies. So $50, pick anything for free. Cute little frogs, look at that. Stamp set that could go with the Memories and More, or just on any card. This beautiful stamp set. And then this item, these are framelits, and if you spend $100, you can shop for that item. These framelits also coordinate with a stamp set that is going to be great for Mother's Day, that's in the Occasions catalog. So there you have it. And then this is also another one, beautiful stamp set. It's that distinctive where you can kind of see the detail of the photo. That's also another one that if you spend $100, you can get that one for free. So keep that in mind as you're looking at getting one of my free classes online. I send you the instructions to complete the cards, as well as just a tips and tricks short video. Plus, you will have access for 1 month to any of the classes that I have done since January 2017. So that's 2 years worth of videos and PDFs. You have access to that for 1 month. It's a special password protected area on my blog. All right, so this is the second class. I thought January means birthday time. I gotta start stocking up on birthdays. So if you're like me, you might find this class very helpful. You could actually attach a gift card to the back of this and tuck that in, super fun. And then we did a little bit of stamping on the inside. Bright colors, I think it's time for some bright colors. This is using the Happy Birthday Thinlets, and I turned this into a gift card holder too, because with my family, they're scattered all over, they're all ages. I never know what to buy them, so gift cards are good for me, plus so is cash. Here is another one that I did, super fun. So you get all the pieces. I will cut all this out for you when you place an order for $40 for the Happy Birthday Gorgeous. Whoops, I'm missing a card. I was gonna say one more card. I have some masculine birthdays coming up. So I tried to make a masculine card that is also a gift card holder, or in this case, cash. Here's the stamp set, and I totally missed this stamp set. I don't know how I missed it. I was on the hunt for a good birthday stamp set, and there you go. Happy birthday, make a wish, hooray, happy birthday. This is the party time stamp set. It was sold originally as a bundle. It's no longer a bundle, but here are those happy birthday framelits. You would need these to create this card, okay? And those came out of the annual catalog. All right, you're gonna get 2 sets of all of my cards. If you decide that you want both classes, just use one of the host codes listed below. When I see an order for $80, I automatically send you one of each, unless you give me an email shout out and say, hey, can I have 2 of these or 2 of these? So there you go. All right, celebration, best time of the year. Happy stamping, y'all.